UP State PG Medical Round 1 admission process has been completed. All the student who was interested, they took the admission in round 1. Now round 2 process will start. In this time, all the student who has participated in UP wants to know about the vacant seat for round 2. In this video, I'll give you the complete details about the vacant seat for round 2 in UP private colleges. Okay. All the minority colleges, I'll be giving you the information for non-minority quota vacant seat. For minority quota vacant seat, we'll make a separate video. So, this is the not admitted seat. After the allotment, the student who has not admitted this number of seat, that means which seat will be considered for the round 2 only. Let's start with the seat matrix for round 2. First is Venkateswara Medical College. Venkateswara Medical College MD Anesthesia 2 seat is open. 2 seat is there. ENT 1 seat. Next is OBG 4 seat, medicine 1 seat, ophthalmology 0 seat is available, ortho 2 seat, pediatrics 5 seat is there, psychiatry, radio and derma 0 seat, general surgery, this is general surgery 3 seat is there, and respiratory medicine 0 seat is there in Venkateswara Medical College. Next is Barun Arjun, anesthesia 2 seat, ENT 0 seat is there, OBG 1 seat, medicine 6 seat is there, ophthalmology 1 seat, ortho 4 seats, pediatrics 2 seats, psychiatry 1 seat, radiology 4 seats, derma 3 seats, general surgery 2 seat, and respiratory medicine 2 seat in Barun Arjun. Next is TS Misra Medical College. TS Misra Medical College 3 seat is there for anesthesia, 0 in ENT, OBG 2 seat is there, medicine 2 seat is there, ophtha 1 seat is there, ortho 1 seat is there, pediatrics 2 seat, psychiatry 0 seat, radiology 2 seat, derma 1 seat, general surgery 2 seat, and respiratory medicine 1 seat is available. Ramurthy Swarak Medical College 8 seat is available in MD anesthesia, ENT 3 seat, OBG 3 seat, medicine 5 seats, ophthalmology 3 seats, ortho 2 seat, pediatrics 3 seat is available. Psychiatry 1 seat, radiology 4 seats, derma 2 seats, general surgery 4 seats, and respiratory medicine 2 seat is available in Ramurthy Sarag. Next is Tirthankar Medical College, non-minority quota. What is the number of seat? 3 seat is vacant in anesthesia, 1 is ENT, 2 is OBG, medicine 5 seat is there, ophtha 2 seat is there, ortho 3 seat, pediatric 1 seat, psychiatry 1 seat, 4 seat in radiology, dermatology 0 seat, 5 in general surgery, and 0 in respiratory medicine. Next, coming to Subharti Medical College. In Subharti, 6 seat is available in anesthesia, 2 seat is in ENT, 2 in OBG, medicine 8 seat is available, ophtha 1 seat, ortho 3 seat, 2 is in pediatrics, 2 is in psychiatry, 6 in radio, dermatology 1 seat, 7 in general surgery, and 2 is in respiratory medicine. Next is Sarda Medical Science, Greater Noida, Sarda Medical College. 5 seat is available in MD anesthesia, 0 seat is in ENT, 5 seat is in OBG, 7 in medicine, ophtha 2 seat is available, 1 seat is available in ortho, pediatrics 2 seat is available, psychiatry 2 seat is available, radiology 7 seat is available, dermatology 1 seat is available, 4 seat available for general surgery, and 1 seat is available for respiratory medicine. Saraswati Medical College, Hapur, 4 seat is available for MD anesthesia, 1 seat is available ENT, 3 seat is available for OBG, 4 seats for medicine, 3 seats for ophtha, 0 seat for ortho, 1 seat for pediatrics, 1 seat for psychiatry, 3 seat for radio, 2 seat for derma, 4 seat for general surgery, and 0 seat for respiratory medicine. This is the cutoff seat matrix for Saraswati Hapur. Rohilkhand Medical College, 5 seat is available in MD anesthesia, 1 is ENT, 7 is in OBG, 4 is in medicine, 2 is in ophtha, 3 seat is ortho, 4 in pediatrics, 3 in psychiatry, 6 seat is available in radiology, 1 seat available in derma, 9 seat is available in general surgery, and 1 seat is available in respiratory medicine. Next college is Rama Kanpur. Rama Kanpur, 0 seat is available in anesthesia, 0 ENT, 1 seat is available in OBG, 2 seat is available in medicine, 0 seat is in ophtha, 0 seat ortho, 1 seat is available in pediatrics, 2 seat is available in psychiatry, 4 seat is in radiology, 2 seat is in derma, 2 seat is in general surgery, and 0 seat is in respiratory medicine. Next is Rama Hapur. In Rama Hapur, 1 seat in MD anesthesia, 1 seat is ENT, 0 seat is in OBG, 3 seat is in medicine, 0 seat is in ophtha, 1 seat is in ortho, 1 seat is in pediatrics, psychiatry, 2 seat is available, 1 seat in radio, 2 seat is in derma, 0 seat in surgery, and 1 seat in respiratory medicine. This is the details about the Rama Hapur. Noida International, 4 seat is available in MD anesthesia, 0 in ENT, 1 is in OBG, 5 seat is medicine, 0 in ophtha, 5 seat is in ortho, 0 in pediatrics, 0 in psychiatry, 0 in radio, 0 in derma itself, 10 seat is available in general surgery, and 0 seat is available in respiratory medicine. Next is Prasad Medical College. In Prasad Medical College, 1 seat is available in anesthesia, 2 seat is available in ENT, then 0 seat is in OBG, 3 seat available in medicine, ophtha 1 seat is available, ortho 1 seat is available, pediatrics 1 seat is available, psychiatry 1 seat is available, radiology 2 seat is available, dermatology 1 seat is available, general surgery 1 seat is available, and 0 seat is available in respiratory medicine. Next, Rajarsi Medical College, 5 seat is available in anesthesia, 2 seat is available in ENT, OBG 4 seat is available, medicine 5 seat is available, ophtha 1 seat is available, ortho 4 seat is available, pediatrics 4 seat is available, psychiatry 2 seat is available, radiology 2 seat is available, derma 2 seat is available, general medicine 5 seat is available, respiratory medicine 2 seat is available. Next is Muzaffarnagar Medical College, 4 seat is available for MD anesthesia, 2 for ENT, 2 for OBG, 3 for medicine, 3 ophtha, the 6 for the ortho, 2 seat in pediatrics, 3 psychiatry, 1 is radio, 2 in dermatology, 4 in general surgery, and 2 in respiratory medicine. Next is Mayo Medical College, 1 is anesthesia, 3 in ENT, 0 OBG, 2 medicine, 3 ophtha, 4 ortho, pediatrics 2, 0 in psychiatry, 0 in radio, 0 in derma itself, 3 in general surgery, and 1 is respiratory medicine. Narayana Medical College, Kanpur, 3 anesthesia, 3 ENT, 0 OBG, 3 medicine, 1 ophtha, 3 ortho, 1 is the pediatrics, psychiatry 2, radiology 1, 0 derma, 1 is general surgery, and 0 is the respiratory medicine. Next is NCR Medical College, 8 seat is available in MD anesthesia, 0 in ENT, 0 in OBG, 1 seat is in medicine, 0 in ophtha, 4 in ortho, 0 seat is pediatrics, psychiatry 0 seat, radiology 0 seat, dermatology 0 seat, 5 seat is general surgery, and 0 seat is in respiratory medicine. KM Mathura, Krishnamohan Medical College, Mathura, 2 seat is anesthesia, 3 seat is in ENT, 2 seat is in OBG, 2 seat is in medicine, 3 seat is in ophtha, 0 in ortho, 2 in pediatrics, 3 in psychiatry, 0 seat in radiology, 3 seat in derma, 2 seat in surgery, and 3 seat in respiratory medicine. KD Medical College, Mathura, 2 seat available in anesthesia, 2 seat available in ENT, 1 in OBG, 2 seat in medicine, 1 is in ophtha, 4 seat in ortho, 1 is pediatrics, 0 in psychiatry, 2 seat in radiology, 1 is derma, general surgery 7 seat, and respiratory 1 seat is available. Hind Sitapur, 3 seat is available in anesthesia, 0 in OBG, 0 in ENT, 1 in OBG, 2 seat is medicine, 0 in ophtha, 2 in ortho, 0 in pediatrics, 0 in psychiatry, 0 in radio, 0 in derma, 1 in general surgery, and 0 in respiratory medicine. Next is Hind Barabanki, 3 seat in anesthesia, 2 in 1 in ENT, 0 in OBG, 2 in medicine, 1 is in ophtha, 0 in ortho, 0 in pediatrics, 1 in psychiatry, 4 in radio, 0 in derma, 4 in general surgery, and 2 in respiratory medicine. GS Hapur, 4 seat in anesthesia, 0 in ENT, 2 seat in OBG, 3 seat in medicine, 1 in ophtha, 2 seat in ortho, 2 seat in pediatrics, psychiatry, 1 seat in radio, 1 seat in derma, 4 seat in general surgery, and 2 seat in respiratory medicine. Heritage. In Heritage Medical College, 4 seat in anesthesia, 3 seat ENT, 0 in OBG, 2 in medicine, 3 in ophtha, 3 ortho, 1 seat in pediatrics, 0 in psychiatry, 1 in radio, another 0 in derma, general surgery 2, and respiratory medicine 2. ERA Medical College, ERA is a minority college. Here I am talking about the non-minority quota seat. 3 seat in anesthesia, 0 seat is ENT, 2 seat in OBG, 5 seat in medicine, 2 seat in ophtha, 2 seat in ortho, 3 in pediatrics, 0 in psychiatry, 3 seat in radio, derma also 0 seat, general surgery 3 seat, and 2 seat in respiratory medicine. Next is Career Medical College, 3 seat in anesthesia, 2 seat in ENT, 0 seat in OBG, 2 seat in medicine, 2 seat in ophtha, 1 seat in ortho, 2 seat in pediatrics, 1 seat in psychiatry, 0 in radio, derma 1, 5 in general surgery, and 1 is respiratory medicine. Like ERA, here Career also we have mentioned about the non-minority quota seat. Career is also a minority college, non-minority quota seat we have mentioned. Integral Medical College, here 2 seat in anesthesia, 0 in ENT, 3 in OBG, 2 in medicine, 0 in ophtha, 0 in ortho, 1 in pediatrics, 0 in psychiatry, 0 in radio, 0 in derma, general surgery 1 seat, and 0 in respiratory medicine. FH Medical College, 1 seat for anesthesia, 1 seat is for ENT, OBG 1 seat, medicine 1 seat, ophtha 0 seat, ortho 1 seat, pediatrics 1 seat, 0 seat psychiatry, radiology 0 seat, dermatology 1 seat, general surgery 2 seat, and respiratory medicine 2 seat is available. Now, if I come to the total number of seat which is vacant, in anesthesia, total 92 seats are vacant. In ENT, 34 seats are vacant. OBG, 49 seats are vacant. Medicine, 92 seats are vacant. Ophthalmology, 37 seats are vacant. Ortho, 62 seats are vacant. Pediatrics, 47 seats are vacant. Psychiatry, 29 seats are vacant. Pediatrics, radiology, 59 seats are vacant. Dermatology, 27 seats are vacant. Surgery, 102 seats are vacant. More than 100 seats is vacant. In surgery, respiratory medicine, 29 seats are vacant. Altogether, 659 seats are vacant in private colleges. There could be some new seat will be added in the round 2 also. If that is happen, then number of seat will be increased more. Student who will be participating in the round 2, this information will be giving them some hope that they will be getting better branch, or they will be getting branch which they have not got in round 1. We'll keep updating you all the informations regarding the PG medical counseling, expected seat matrix, and everything. This seat matrix is an expected seat matrix for the round 2. It will help you to make a strategy for the round 2 in UP. Along with UP, which all other states you are participating. If you have not yet subscribed this YouTube channel, you can subscribe the YouTube channel for getting all the important information which is required for the PG counseling. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are looking for paid counseling services for PG admission, you can contact the number given. Thank you so much, students.